Pre-need funeral. I'm Kathy Cute. We're fine. Depression.
We were, before we came on the air, and